Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see about a project named classification of tuberculosis using deep learning. So it's a journal paper, comes under image classification. It also comes under the deep learning. We developed this project using Python programming language. So our domain is deep learning. What is deep learning means? Deep learning is part of a broader family of machine learning. So methods based on the artificial neural networks with the representation learning. So see, deep learning comes under the machine learning. Machine learning comes under the artificial intelligence. So okay. So next, learning can be supervised, semi-supervised or unsupervised in deep learning. It's a methods. Supervised means nothing but in the supervised method we will work with the labeled data. In semi-supervised we will work with the labeled and unlabeled data. Or third one is unsupervised data. Unsupervised data means we will work with the unlabeled data. Technology. We use Python 3 for this project and then Anaconda 3. So Anaconda, it's a well-known data science platform. Jupyter Notebook, it's a web application. Integrated development environment for Python projects, and then NumPy is a library used for working with the arrays, and then TensorFlow, Keras machine learning libraries, OpenCV is a computer vision. So introduction. Tuberculosis is a conveyance illness that occurs ailing health and death in millions of. Right timed recognition and therapy is the postponement to full patient reclamation. X-ray examination is considered to be the most commonly used X-ray examination method because it's low cost, wide range of application and fast speed. It plays a pivotal role in tuberculosis patient screening and disease detection. So the thing is how to detect these features from X-ray has become a top priority. Okay. Problem statement. So it's a chronic disease caused by the Bacillus mycobacterium tuberculosis and spreads from person to person through the air. So TB usually affects the lungs, but it can also affect our parts of the body. It can do some other things with our bodies, in bones, some other things, okay, such as the brain, intestines, kidneys or spine. Symptoms of TB depend on where in the body of the TB bacteria are growing. So this is the things. With the X-rays we can find the place also. Proposed system. We proposed a model with a deep learning algorithm name called convolutional neural network, simply CNN, with some basics layers like a convolutional 2D, max pooling 2D, flat and dense layer. So this is the neural networks. So for the tuberculosis classification we used X-ray image dataset. Make use of all this, we build this project and we achieve the high accuracy. Then system accuracy. So see, so tuberculosis X-ray images, image pre-processing is nothing but here we will do loading the datasets. Next, feature engineering. In the feature engineering we will split our data into two types using train test split of function. So in the train set we will use our train set for convolutional neural network algorithm. It will understand the pattern using the training training data set. Then we will train our model, and then we want to validate the model. To validate our model, we use test data. Then it will predict the result. So this is the concept. Methodology. In the tuberculosis data set, we have done pre-processing using OpenCV NumPy. So we already seen OpenCV, it's a computer vision. NumPy convert the working with the arrays, convert the values to array values. With the use of train test splitter function, we splitting the data for training and testing purpose. Build the algorithm using TensorFlow, Keras. Train the algorithm using training data. Test the algorithm using testing data. So okay guys, thank you for watching. For more interesting videos or projects, please visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com. You can directly call us. The number is 98866 92401 and another one number is 98451 66723. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, just leave it in comment box. We will answer later. If you like this video, please like and share this video. Thank you for watching.